this lecture, we're going to cover the critique and feedback site method. I am a very big fan of this method because it's so simple, it's so immediate. You're going to see some great results from it very shortly. Many web designers go through quite a few different versions of their websites before they get to the finished product. Sometimes they'll tweak almost every element you'll ultimately see on their site. They'll change the color, the font, the sizes, the placement, you name it. How do they know what's working and what isn't? Well, they use a modern version of the old focus group. Specifically, they use website critique and feedback sites. These are free services where web developers can post their websites for other people on the internet to give critiques and feedbacks about. Plus, this isn't just for designers. Business owners who don't even know a thing or even care that much about aesthetics can make accounts at these sites, give their sales copy, their marketing brochures, whatever they like, and have other people critique them too. This is really great for what's known in the industry as A/B testing on the cheap, in this case free. You can go ahead, submit your site, see how people respond to it, and see which among your potential versions are the most liked and best received. So right away you might be thinking, okay, well that's nice, but how does this pertain to our SEO course? The answer is, in addition to offering you great feedback from other people online for free, these feedback sites offer, almost always, do follow backlinks. Google and other search engines don't just tally up the number of backlinks or even the number of backlinks and an associated weight as to how valuable the backlink is. These search engines really do care if you're getting many backlinks from the same domain. Think about it this way. Would you respect someone more without knowing anything else about them if you heard they were on a popular television news network 5 times? Or would you respect that person more without knowing anything else if you heard they were on 5 different well-respected television news networks, 1 time apiece? Most people would choose the latter, and that's how Google behaves too. This is very relevant to us here now because there are so many of these critique and feedback sites. It's one of the easiest websites to set up, and so they're popping up all the time. This can be backlink gold because you can go to each and every one of these that offer do follow backlinks, offer up your site for their users to critique, as well as reap not only more backlinks, but more backlinks from different domain names. To start off with, check out my 3 favorite, which are suggestionbox.com, conceptfeedback.com, and critiq.com. You shouldn't just stop at these 3. So, what you should do to get a quick list of all the very best new feedback sites is to go ahead and use Google's advanced search option to find websites that are similar to these 3 feedback sites we just discussed. In order to do that, go to Google, type related : and then, without adding any space, the name of the website you want to find similar results to. So, for the purposes of this lecture, we're going to be typing related : suggestionbox.com, related : conceptfeedback.com, and related : critiq.com. You'll probably get a lot of duplication as each of these sites are in fact related to each other. So sites that are related to any one of these 3 will in fact be related to the other 2. However, go ahead, plug in them all for an always up-to-date list of great critique and feedback sites for you to send your website to. This method is easy, it's efficient, and it's effective. Google actually does care if you're spending a lot of time improving your site. And frankly, you should be spending time improving your site anyway. So this has the double benefits of being good for your SEO, as well as enlisting the help of a free focus group or 2 or 3 or many more on the internet to help you in your aesthetics, your sales copy, and everything else about your website. I hope you enjoyed this method. It is truly one that you can get to work employing right now. So go ahead when you're done learning for today and apply to these critique and feedback sites, send them your website, and reap those rewards in the form of do follow backlinks, as well as often high quality advice in the form of feedback. I'll see you in the next video.